gentle voice, it calls my name, and I am not the same. The Lord is my light, my salvation, my song. When darkness surrounds, your presence is strong. In every shadow I see your flame, forever you remain. Take my fear, take my pride. You are my refuge, my guide. In your mercy I abide, forever near your side. You are the light of my life, the strength of my soul in the night. When I am weak, you carry me through. All of my heart belongs to you. Your grace unfolds like morning light. You turn my sorrow into sight. You lift my gaze to things above and fill my heart with love. Take my fear, take my pride. You are my refuge, my guide. In your mercy I abide, forever near your side. You are the light of my life, the strength of my soul in the night. When I am weak, you carry me through. All of my heart belongs to you. I surrender all to you. Every heartbeat, every truth. You are my shelter, ever new. I belong to you. You are the light of my life, the strength of my soul